here's a question on the principal agent problem, but taking more of like an actual calculation approach to it. One of the ways to solve the principal agent problem, and you've learned this in other classes, is to make the manager a shareholder, or to share the profits with them, because then you realign your interests. If I paid my manager a fixed salary, they don't really care, right? They're going to get paid their fixed salary whether I do well or I do poorly. But if I said, hey, your pay is based on our profits. So the more profit we make, the more money you make. Oh, all of a sudden now the manager is aligned and saying, oh, I want to maximize profit. So then we all win, right? So this question comes up a lot, and it's a question where we ask you, given this situation, how much of your profits, what percentage should you share with the manager? Okay, so let's read through it. You're trying to decide how much of the profit of your business should you share with your manager. You know that if the manager works hard, they will incur a cost of $600 per month. You also know that the monthly profit of your business depends on the manager's work and the state of the economy. You believe there's an equal chance, chance, of a strong economy and a weak economy. So we don't know what's going to happen. So there's going to be a little bit of expected values from the risk chapter in this question. But you know that if there's basically a 50% chance of a strong economy and a 50% chance of a weak economy. So let's calculate our expected profit if the manager works hard. If the manager works hard, there's a 50% chance of having a strong economy. So a 50% chance that our profit is 30,000 and a 50% chance of a weak economy. So the expected profit in a strong, and if the manager works hard, is 25,000. But if the manager does not work hard, then we'll either make 25,000 if we have a strong economy, or we'll make 14,000 if we have a weak economy, which would be an average of, I think, 18,500. Let's see, 19,500. So you see, it's in your best interest, in the best interest of the company, for the manager to work hard. You want them to work hard. How do we convince them to work hard? We have to figure out a percentage that we should give to the manager so that they are better off working hard than not working hard. So let's create our function here. So x, okay, or let's call it p. The variable p will be the percentage of profit we give to the manager. So if they work hard, put on the left here, if they work hard, they're going to get 25,000, that is the profit, times P, times whatever percentage we give them. But if they don't work hard, does not work hard, they're going to get 19,500 times P. Then you want to look to see if there's anything else in the question, and they said something like, the manager will incur a fixed cost of 600,000. If they decide to work hard, they will incur a cost. So here, they're going to lose 600 bucks by working hard. This is how you factor it in. So they're going to make a percentage of the profit, but then they're going to lose 600K. And then you set these two values, these two functions equal to each other, and this will give you that percentage where the two sides are equal. So let's try this, okay? We're going to send the 600 over, bring this in. So 25,000 P minus 19,500 P equals 600. This is 5,500 P equals 600. Divide this by 5,500. $10.91%. So you have to give the manager at least 10.91% of profits in order for them to want to work hard. Anything above this would actually make this section, this side higher, and anything below would make them not want to work very hard. Okay? This is how you want to approach this question. Just follow these exact steps. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions of your own, Please don't be shy to reach out to me, and I'll see you at the next one.